Here's this spacecraft that has flown by the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune systems, is on its way, astonishingly, to the stars, a triumph of human engineering. We turn the cameras back and take a photograph of the planet from where it came. And we can barely see it. Here it is, a fragile, delicate, pale blue dot, and that's where we live. That's where every human has ever lived, and you can see the vulnerability at a glance. And that gives a humbling and, I think, character-building sense of where we are.
Humbling because it says that we're only one small portion of something that is enormously large?
Absolutely. And let me say a word about what that is. This dot is one of 9 planets that goes around a humdrum star that lives at the outskirts of a perfectly ordinary galaxy, which is composed of 400 billion other stars in a universe of maybe 100 billion galaxies. And recent thoughts suggest this universe one of a very large number, perhaps an infinite number of other closed-off universes. In that context, what is the chance that we are the center or the point of the universe? If there was no concept of having stewardship of the Earth a million years ago, today there is at least a very great need. If you stand back from the Earth, as those Apollo astronauts did in the late 60s, and photograph the Earth from a distance in space so you can see the whole Earth, there's this blue aura that you can see surrounding the daylit hemisphere. And it's just the atmosphere seen edge on. And what is most impressive, what many astronauts have remarked upon, is how thin, how fragile, how vulnerable it seems.